Other day, me I watch one dog jerk chicken. And nothing more than two me did it. He take up about 4 beer and they kill the chicken. So me tell to the dog, I say, dog, why you put a beer upon the chicken? He don't know, he just grew up and see everybody do it. I say, what flavor? Because I never eat a jerk chicken yet and taste cold red stripe. I never consume jerk chicken yet and taste red stripe in a chicken. So I want to know why you there, so. I spray and I go on so far and they turn up your hand and then sit there. You ever buy a jerk chicken yet? And taste red stripe in it? Sweets, big up yourself, sweets. You ever buy a jerk chicken yet and taste red stripe in it? I never buy a jerk chicken yet. So why? Ever bless? Big up yourself. Big up yourself. So why? You should have take up yourself now. I sprinkle some more jerk chicken. So much simple on the jerk chicken. That don't make no sense. Yeah.